In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Substack app not working. If you are experiencing challenges, maybe posting newsletters or even uploading your content with this app, maybe the app is too slow, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find your app, and in the first method we want to access the app info page. You can easily access the app info page through settings. Alternatively, the shortcut is you just go to the app, long press on it, and you can see app info shortcut here. However, if you don't see this shortcut, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app depending on your phone. Go ahead and tap on it to access the app info page, and here I'm on the app info page. At this point, we want to clear data, and if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So the more you use your app, the more your app collects this cache data. And in long run, the cache data might lead your app to malfunction. And these are just small files that your app normally collects to enhance user experience. And currently you can see I have 2.86 MB. On your case, you might be having more. To clear this cache data, just go to clear data down below and then choose clear cache, and finally okay, and look at that, the data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone, open your app, and in most cases this is enough to fix your issues. However, if you're still experiencing a challenge, then come again to the app info page, and this time around go to a clear data again and choose the first option now, clear all data, and okay. Now, if this second method doesn't fix your problem, then head to the third method, and that is to look for any update for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm on Android, and I'll go to Play Store, search for my app, and see if we have an update. Currently, I do not have any update. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Substack app that might not be supported. You need to update it to the latest version to restore its functionality. However, if you are still having an issue, and this is commonly if your app is constantly crashing or stopping, then it means that your app might contain bugs. For that, you need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. So by doing this, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.